Hello, my name is Karen. I'm one of the members of the complementary therapy team at the Vintage Arts and Macmillan Centre, and I'm here today to share with you a brief relaxation exercise which is known as oblong breathing, or sometimes called four-sided breathing. Now this is a really useful, really easy technique that can be used anytime, anywhere, and it's very simple. I'll show you it in a second, but I'll just explain a little bit first. As you know, sometimes we need to use some relaxation techniques to help calm ourselves when life gets a bit challenging. And it's nice if you've got a lot of time to sit down and do some of the longer relaxation and breathing practices. That's not always practical. Sometimes we're somewhere public or we're somewhere where we just need to do something a little bit quicker. So this would really fit the bill in those kind of circumstances. And also what we're going to do is we're going to breathe around an oblong or four-sided object which has two long sides and two shorter sides. And the reason this is also very good is that in modern life there's lots and lots of shapes like this whenever you look. It could be a door, it could be a window, you could do it around a magazine, anything that fits the bill. I'm going to show you in a moment with a demonstration around a little card that I've got with me today. It's important to mention that when you do this, you need to breathe to the rhythm that is right for you. So when I demonstrate in a minute, I will be doing it to my own particular rhythm. But you need to breathe in whichever way is right for you. This is very important, so that you're not stressing or straining, but just giving a nice, relaxed and calm breath. Okay, so we'll give it a go. So here's my pretty card. And what we want to do is we want to breathe in along the short edge, and out along the long edge, and then in along the short edge, and out along the long edge. So we'll just give that a go. Breathing in, up the short edge, breathing out along the long edge, breathing in along the short edge, and breathing out along the long edge. Just do that again. Breathe in, up the short edge, breathe out along the long edge, breathe in down the short edge, and breathe out along the long edge. So as you can see, very simple. We can also, if we want to, add a pause in between each in and out breath. This helps to slow the breath down a little bit, and you may find that that suits you better. There are many ways that this relaxation exercise is taught. This is just one of them. But let's have a little go with the pause. So again, starting on the short edge, breathe in and pause. Breathe out along the long edge and pause. Breathe in down the short edge and pause. And breathe out along the long edge and pause. I'll just do that one more time. Breathing in up the short edge and pause. Breathe out along the long edge and pause. Breathe in down the short edge and pause. And finish by breathing out along the long edge and pause. So as you can see, a very simple thing to do. And because this is a very easy shape, you may find that you don't actually need anything physical to do this around. Once you've done it a few times, you may find it really easy just to imagine it in your mind's eye. And sometimes people have said also it's a very good one to do when they're having some trouble sleeping. You normally will find that there are some things this shape in your bedroom, but as I said, it's an easy shape, so most people find that they can just imagine this in their mind's eye. So give it a go. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll be bringing you some other short relaxation practices in a separate video, along with my colleagues. Thank you for watching.